Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for tuning in. Ongakhohlwa ke ukuthi kumele subscribe if you haven't done so. Please subscribe to the channel or like a video or share a video as well as ukubuka ama ads. Those are the very important things okumele uzenzeke bafowethu. I know you subscribe once, please subscribe, and then each and every time wabuka video please kindly subscribe, of which kumahala bafowethu ayikho into echargewayo. Please help us grow. Ubusuya like again video enye video ibukayo you just like. Okay, so sizokwenza review when it comes to Thando Nosithembu, you guys, as you keep on going ama reviews as ama episodes edlala. So kula last time sasikhulume khona ngomama Macele, simbona ke enguye obusy ke ngodaba lika Makhwela, because sewamkela uMakhwela babuMsamsele wam introducer wahlangana nomamkhulu, and then I think kune part sibone kone introduce ingane kuMakhwela, abantu abangakahlangana noMakhwela ngomama Yeni, uMakhumalo noma Ngwabe abakahlangana noMakhwela. Kwase kufika ke manje inkinga yokuthi ubaba uMsamsele uyagula ungene esibhedlela. So eguleni kababa uMsamsele kusibonile ke umamkhulu eba ne meeting noMakhwela ndawo thizeni eyomtshela ke ngokuthi ubaba uMsamsele usesibhedlela. I think wahlakanipha wathola ke indlela yokuthi amchazele ngayo ngoba uMakhwela guys is still very young. I think umamkhulu usebenzise nje i-strategy sakhe nayo ukuthi angamthusi nayo yonke leyo nto bafethu. Simzulu uMakhwela mayithi umgcine right health nje kungekho inkinga, kwaba into emangazayo ukuthi ha umuntu uselele esibhedlela. So kule video ngifuna ukukhuluma nje the sneaking way angeniswe ngayo lapha nesibhedlela. Ngifuna sithintene udaba lika mamkhulu noMakhwela. Wayishilo mamkhulu before wathi angeke enze njani amanathathu uMakhwela ehambe naye esibhedlela nje bese uthola ukuthi mabefika le kukhona, and then the three wives abangakamamkeli kuzomela asebenzise i-timing ke manje yokuthi uma bengekho laba bathathu ameke sure ukuthi uyafikisa ke uMakhwela ukuze uMakhwela naye abe ne-access to esibhedlela, bengekho laba abanye akwazi ukuthi abone ke naye umyeni wakhe njengoba phela sekunkosikazi kaMseleko, right? Usekhona wife number 5. The problem is only that ubengaka introduce ke kulabayi sebetsheliwe ukuthi ukhona but abakahlangani naye. So besides umamkhulu, so she's trying her best umamkhulu ukuthi ke manje uMakhwela afike lapha esibhedlela. So siyabona ke mabehamba I think wamshayela ucingo umama Macele, washayela waMsamsele ucingo ngenkathi besahleli noMakhwela etafuleni, ngaze bese restaurant wherever they met there, emazisa ukuthi okay nangu umuntu enginayo. I think she video called ubaba uMsamsele, and then wasembonisa ke uMakhwela ukuthi ambulise into ekanjalo, embonisa ukuthi usesibhedlela, right? So ke wasemtshela, wasekhuluma ke ngokuthi uzohamba naye kanjani without the three wives knowing, right? Ngoba kuzoba kubiphela mangabe sebefika laphana sebemane behlangana noMakhwela in that way, ekubeni kumele bahlangane naye ngendlela right, introduce mhlambe kuzoyenzwa one introduction bo 3, or mhlambe uzowenza njani baba uMsamsele aye kumama Yeni, aye kuMakhumalo, aye kuMangwabi, angazi introduction yakho iyoba njani. So ke umamkhulu kuthatha uMakhwela ke uya naye esibhedlela hayi mntakabawo, she had to sneak the lady in there, wangena naye ke ngendlela nje yokuntshontshela bafowethu but la engichaza khona ngiyabona ukungena kwabo befica ulwandle laphiyana ehleli nobaba wakhe, bafike nje uMakhwela abone kubaba uMsamsele. La engichaza khona ila sebephuma, I think bathola ukuthi kukhona unkosikazi oyi1 ozayo kwafanele manje bazokwenza njani ngoba umamkhulu uma engaphuma noMakhwela behamba bo2 Makhumalo, then will know ukuthi nawo Makhwela, right? Kanti akumelanga ahlangane naye ngaleyo ndlela. So umamkhulu had to go out quickly. I1 waphuma I1 ukwenza ukuthi uMakhwela alandile emva na I1 kungabonakala ukuthi bahamba bonke. That's what I saw there. Waphuma umamkhulu wahambe shesha nje emotweni, uyashesha imamkhulu uye emotweni, and uhlangana nobani noMakhumalo. Umehlangana noMakhumalo, I think there was not even a greeting there. Angibonanga nje bekhulumisana sabona alright mato, ayingi right Makhumalo, cha ngibonanga lutho lokho. Uvela washesha umamkhulu waye emotweni, nafike emotweni angena ke ngibona ke iyabonisa ke camera nangu uMakhwela ke elandela naye A1, kusho ukuthi bashayisene endawo ethuzeni noMakhumalo lapho, uwenzela ukuthi phela angabona ukuthi uyena uMakhwela, like the way they had to leave laphana esibhedlela bafowethu ngoba sokushuthi ngathi kuthe ngathi kukhona unkosikazi ozayo, so kwamele baphume ke ngaleyo ndlela nga-1-1. They had to go out nga-1-1 so that Makhumalo does not see ukuthi bahamba bonke. Wayongena emotweni mamkhulu weza kuMakhwela wazongena emotweni, uyabona ukuthi hey kuthanda kuba nzima. So kuzomele bamake sure ukuthi Makhwela akadibani na the other 3 wives until she is introduced properly. Ngithanda nje into yokuthi nje kumele kwenziwe izinto ngendlela, so she can't be introduced like that. Kuzomele kube yi-sneaky link kuyasneakwa nje lapha. Hayi ngathi girl uthe yena njengofihliweke kusho yena uMakhwela athi nje echaza ke lo daba lwakhe lokuthi uye wasneakwa laphayana, athi njengofihliweke kuye kwafanele ukuthi nginjani ngifike laphayana ngezinye indlela. Manje mayethi njengofihliwe nami ngiyasho ngingezwe ngithi hayi girl ungufihliwe ngempela, yazi igama lakho suka manje ungufihliwe because what the hell was that? And umamkhulu indaba zakhe, guys like ungufihliwe ngempela uMakhwela because girl, wow. But at least kokwazile ukuyofika ke esibhedlela wabona ke ubaba uMzamseleku ke bafethu basebephuma ke ngendlela abaphume ngayo kuyona emagazini ngathi hayibo hey yini yona lenzakalayo. Siphuma nga-1-1 manje, omunye nomunye kumele nje kube ngathi uhamba yedwa, so that the wife that is coming, of which that was uMakhumalo, doesn't realize ukuthi yo hawu sebeletha no number 5 la, besingazi. I'm sure nabayazi ukuthi uyafika, but just as long as bengahlangani naye ngendlela engafanele kufuneka nje aqale introduce sebezohlangana. Ngazi njengoba ngizwa ke umamkhulu engathi uye wayohlangana noMayeni, sizokhuluma ngayo le on the different video emazisa ukuthi kuzoba nomsebenzi baba uMzamseleku kwamele awenze. So Mayeni njengoba esasele ngakubo bafethu, umamkhulu ngathi worried ukuthi kuzomela abe khona, you know, because kuzoba nomsebenzi okumele wenziwe. I think lo msebenzi ke ngo-introduce ke uMakhwela, so kuzomela baqala bamamkele ukuze baba uMzamseleku ezokwazi ukwenza lo msebenzi. There is a whole lot besingeke siye kumshaya i-stress ubaba uMzamseleku with all this drama that is happening. Awubona nje indlela abagijigijima ngayo amakhosikazi bengena esibhedlela nje kuntshontshiswana nje ukuthi okay wena ngena wena phuma, wena ngena wena phuma, you know what I mean. I-stress isongele sebafini nokuthi manje kumele enze nomsebenzi, kuzomela aqale ke labo bamamkele qala bambone ke badibane naye bese kuyaqhutsheka ngomsebenzi. Nakhona kuzoqhutsheka kanjani ngomsebenzi uMayeni kumele abe khona endakekho, and ugeli kuyo yonke into ukuthi asiyenzele ukuthi hayi angeke ngize ngibe khona. Lokhu Mayeni yenzani mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuba khona. Lokhu ke Mayeni ayibo qhubekani mina ngingekho, hayibo akuzima bafethu. Bese kuthiwa baba uMzamseleku angayeka ukulala esibhedlela. I-stress yonke le ndaba bafethu, I think i-stress isiningi baba uMzamseleku. Umndeni awuhlangani njengoba wayeshilo, ngibone ekhuluma noMpumelelo, awuhlangani umndeni bafethu. They will have to accept le ndaba kaMakhwela abayitshela kudala indaba ka number 5 samkeleni nje sidlule. Like umamkhulu, I think there's a part where she said ukuthi yena akayiboni phela inkinga yokuthi manje kube nabantu abanenkinga yokuthi kunoMakhwela, because it's not like uma kufika omunye unkosikazi uze endaweni yomunye unkosikazi, right? Uma ufika wena uze endaweni yakho nawe egumbini lakho nendoda yakho, nawe futhi usendaweni yakho, akekho ohlala phezulu komunye like she said. So yini ke manje enzima kangaka bafethu le ndaba ka number 5? I understand ukuthi it's a story mhlambe yonke into bayidlala, but yini into enzima wena mangabe number 2 number 1 wakwamukela wahlala awuhlala ngaphezulu ka number 1, mangabe ngu number 4 bakwamukela number 1 number 2 no number 3, right? Akekho oke waza wahlala endaweni yakho, ufika nawe uphiwe yakhe indawo esakhe space igumba lakho le nabantu omunye nomunye endaweni yakho. uMakhwela naye kufika kwakhe uzoba le naye endaweni yakhe yedwa, sazothola ingane ke lapha nengane zakhe naye ebe ne-lucky side. It's not like she's gonna be on top of uMayeni or on top of uMangwabi, into ekanjalo. Samkeleni nje kudlule ngoba manje sikhoza a lot of sicknesses njengoba ke umamkhulu esethi I think sonke sicontribute, you know what I mean. So nje inzima yonke lento, I think nje ubaba uMzamseleku kuyona into emshayayo bafethu ukuthi akuhlangani, noma sethi uyahlanganisa akuhlangani. Khona manje uyagulisa esibhedlela kuye kwafanele baqoqe imali bakhokhe indleko zasesibhedlela because i-medical aid siyikhanselile. Remember, akuna medical aid manje, kumele amakhosikazi apatanise bakhokhe. Ngapha yonke into bayenza abakwazi ukungamema uMakhwela ngoba phela the 3 it's just a whole lot there. But anyways bafethu sizobuye senza abanye ama-video about other stories. Thank you so much ukuthi ibuka i-video, usho uvola ka comment section uyibone kanjani le ndlela abasinike ngayo uMakhwela into the hospital ngenkathi sebephuma. Uyibonile leya eka 11 kuphunywa nga 11 umamkhulu uhlangana noMakhumalo ngenye indlela nje. Makhwela naye abuye ngoyelo wakhe nje, kuningi, it's just a whole lot. Ngiyabonga ukuthi uyibuke ivideo, like, usubscribe, share. Sizobonana kwenye elandelayo. Bye.